Hello freelancers. Platform, Fiverr, Legit, Guru.com, Upwork, Freelancer, TopTal, People per hour. Online banks, PayPal, PayPesa, Pioneer. Local banks deduct taxes on every payment. Skills: communication skill, graphic designing, content writing, psychopathical analysis, branding, banking and analysis, branding, texture-based, SEO, search engine optimization, research methodology. It is a termatic form where we have to analyze our position in market and have to reduce the competition within market, as well as we have to decide where we construct our first shop. Points for research methodology. It is not the solution but the answer to the problem. It is allowed to able yourself to construct your first shop in the market. Category, skill or the main field that you are offering within the current time span. For example, video editing, etc. Subcategory, it is the service of required field that you may or offer within your main field or main category. For example, some search engine marketing paid work.